In order to tell a journalistic story, you'll need to do some research. Some things you can find out easily, some things you'll have to do some digging in order to discover. In the research section, I'd like you to do some basic research and do at least 10 facts about your topic. These are facts that you think you might be able to use in your story once you put together your video. These are things that hopefully you can use in the video as titles, or they might help you come up with good questions to ask. And I've done some research about our Student of the Year, and first of all, I decided we needed to define technical education because there might be people in the audience who don't know what that means. But that's pretty much common knowledge. So the source for where I got that information, you could say common knowledge, or you talked with a teacher about it. Then we might need to describe how the Student of the Year process is gone through. How did we get to Leticia Greenblatt as our nominee? What was that process we followed? And I interviewed a business education teacher in order to find out about that. And now I need some facts about Leticia Greenblatt. She's a senior, she's president of the Beta Club, she competed at Skills USA. How did I find that stuff out? What was my source? Well, I went and talked with Leticia in order to get a little bit more about her. You might not get these details until the actual interview. And then if she was a member of Skills USA, we might need to describe, well, what's Skills USA? There could be people in the audience who don't know what that is. So we went to the Skills USA website and read a little bit about it. So you're going to usually get online and find some places where you could learn a little bit more about your topic to be more knowledgeable. You're looking for facts, examples, and details, statistics, things that could come in handy in a news story, but be sure to write down your source. Anything that came online, you need to write down the URL address so that we can give proper credit, and talk with your teacher if you're not sure whether a particular website is a trustworthy, reliable source of information or not.